Hello guys, I'm Halim Fez. To tell you in this tutorial is how to go for your Gmail rescue. Yes, in case someone who has stolen your Gmail password, someone who has hacked your Gmail password. Now, you don't have the recovery email and the recovery password because of changing of or hacking or hijacking of Gmail password. Change the everything. How to rescue, how do you especially recover it, we will see live here. This is only for institution purpose, guys. So, how to? Yes, there are, of course, various ways by providing substance information for Google to be sure that, of course, we can make sure that this account is mine. How it is possible, we will see live here. Let's see. See, guys, this idea has been recommended by one viewer who has unfortunately lost his device, and due to that, he has lost the everything: this ID, password, of course, recovery emails, recovery Gmails, recovery, of course, phone numbers. So now we don't have a dish, especially a password. Just we will try to approach alternatively. These all are option is giving Google's to other recover, but we don't have, so directly we are clicking on here. Now it's the assumption that I did not provide enough information for the Google to this show. So yes, we will not approach via here because if we do multiple times here, then of course Google will approach to contact to you, and after 48 hours it will give an opportunity to reset the password. But if this ID belongs to me, on the basis of this I will submit proof document identity, Google will endorse to justify. So we will not approach this option, just we will come in a Google Play Store, and thereupon of course here we will have to download one browser. So it has started to a download. On the other hand, just we have to change in a Google browser few things that here just we will approach on a notification, making the blog, guys, and we will back, and after coming the back on the, of course we will have to come the permission. In the permission, of course, we will have to go on a location, make it the precise location of, guys, and click here, don't allow anyway. So no longer function as intended, it's notifying, no problem at all. Once again we have a second browser, that's all. There's Chrome, and of course tap on it, and thereupon click on a permission, navigate the location, guys. So here it is, and make the precise location off, and go for here, don't allow any base, no longer function as intended. We will have to back one more time. We will come in a back one more time, then we will come in a notifications. This notification we will have to off, and we will have to back, and here is the browser apps. Just we will pick this one and cut it from here, guys, and of course we will come on a now tap on this Carbon browser. What will happen, guys? Here we will have to go for next, and of course go for next. So it's taking time, guys. Here tap on a next. Now see here, it will be open. So we have one here option, that is a Z browser options. Google.com. Wait for the site, and we will go and sign on that. Now see here, simply we will have to type this particular Gmail that we want to rescue. So of course now tap on it, guys, and what will happen, guys? Here it's asking a password. We will tap on a forgot password, and thereupon it's asking last password. We will go for try another way, and there is asking so that on a register the recovery mobile number, can you enter? No, we don't have. Now here is a motives to other recover this accounts. One more feature has been given here, options. So not feature, options. Try again. Can I add? No, because if I try multiple times, then Google will freeze this account, because via different browser I'm trying to recover. But how can I use this feature? This can be used here. This feature here, see, guys, here this feature we would like to use here. So how would I tap on here, guys? come in settings and Google will rescue now. See here how easily. Yes, we will come on a Google service. So here it is. In your phone you will have, take any smartphones and do similar step. Of course we will click on here now and help options. We will go on accounts and your accounts and my accounts. Now here we have options someone else is using this account. Now wait here. Google will options, of course, give options now. See here. Now we will go on especially review your account activities on. We will come on a find account, of course, if account has been hacked. Now we will click on a here recovery phase, these tabs here, and in these tabs recovery here we will have to come on a create and replacement Google accounts, avoid getting these things. Two option is coming, then you are on a right track. Let's click on a here. Now here we will have to enter the particular this Gmail, and here just we will have to tap here next option. Let's see. Now see guys, here what will happens, simply we have to go for not on continue, otherwise you will tap on it's verify your option. Don't click here, just we will have to go for changes password, and when it would be here, then see now we have a strong opportunity to create the strong password. Confirm to your strong password, and then after changing click successfully change login, and we will come on a here this on these options, and we have a here device manage your Gmail accounts. There we will go for add their recovery phone number, recovery of course any Gmail alternative, and via that of course any times if it is going to happen, or then you can quickly reset your Gmail ID and you can change the password. So this kind of incident won't be happen again. Now we will have to deliver some this, especially viewer this hurry guys. So this is all about on a live screen that we cannot create a strong password, and how can I go in a security center of this to add the recovery and the recovery especially password. We will so in next tutorial if you want this. This is all about. Thank you for watching Technology Welfare guys. Have a great time. Bye bye.